Okay, hello everyone. I hope you like and subscribe. I made a video. As you can tell, I made another. This is another video, and we're talking about the ground beetle. But I also made another video called I caught a turtle, and just search up I caught a turtle with 3 turtle emojis, and you'll see a purple bucket as the picture or something, and then just click on it and watch that video. But today we are making another video about the ground beetle. Okay, so is that too late for you? Sorry. Okay, alright, so I'll read you the information, but first let's see the ground beetle. Okay, as you see, it's called the ground beetle, so he likes digging holes, but he made a little hole right in there. You see it? Well, I'm not going to hurt him, but I'm going to take this stick and I'm going to find him. But I have to be careful. Here, little beetle. Come here. Why am I calling him like a dog? Okay, I'm gonna have to get my hands dirty. Alright, so okay, as I try to find them, I'll talk about the ground beetle. And at the end of this video, I don't want to steal anyone's work, so I'll say the name of the authors and the photographer and the contributing author. Okay, so the ground beetle. Ground beetles are huge, diverse groups with about 370 species found in Florida. Several of these only live in Florida. Most ground beetles are predators, both adults and larvae, and they're in plants of 10 lives, literature, and ground, making about their habitats terribly by dangerous for small and unwearing. Okay, I found the beetle. He is right here. Now, he has some pinchers, so I'm not going to touch him because they actually can, they have this little stinger that can sting you. It's in their mouth, and they'll make your finger or wherever they bit you swell up a little. But their venom is actually dangerous to other bugs. Okay, as you see here, the ground beetle they're very territorial, and I caught them just about, what was it, just a little while ago this morning, and I was wondering, hey, let's make a YouTube video about this. Well, I just wanted to talk about it and say there's a level of animals and species in the world. There's a lot, there's not a lot, and then there's going extinct, and there's extinct. Well, there's not a lot of these little guys, but they're very, very, very unratheringly cool. So I'll teach you that they're the caterpillar hunters. They mostly eat caterpillars because that's their favorite type of food. So I will tell you how they catch it, lay their eggs, and then their larvae eats the caterpillar. Okay, so what they do is when they find a mate, the male and female, they're called a ground beetle, so they dig underground. They're called the male and female. They both go to find food. They both go to find caterpillars, and then when they do, they will make young. What they will do is they'll catch caterpillar, both of them. They will each put both of their caterpillar underground, and they dig very far underground. They dig about, I think, 150 feet underground. Then they make a bunch of holes and tunnels in a colony. Well, they make a bigger colony than ants, and what they do is they put 2 caterpillars in the middle, and the female lays 3 eggs around the caterpillar, and the male lays 5 eggs around the caterpillar. Yes, I know, it's weird. The male actually lays eggs too. Well, it's right here, this beetle. So the larvae will hatch, they will eat the caterpillar, and then when they do, the male and female will teach them how to hunt when they're ready and old enough, they will teach them how to hunt, how to sting, and they also have this, as you know, they make a very bad stink that smells terrible. It pretty much smells like, you know how you have to use the bathroom really bad? Well, it smells like after you use the bathroom and someone throwing up on the stuff in the toilet, poop. Well, it smells like that times 10, so it's very smelly. So just when you pick them up, they're going to let out a stink. So what you want to do is you're going to want to wash your hands because they stink. Okay, so yeah, I just wanted to talk to you about this today because I think these are awesome bugs. As you see here, he's gonna dig sooner or later because he's kind of scared. I'll zoom out a little so you can see more. Okay, so they mostly eat caterpillars. So if you have a garden or anything and you don't want the caterpillars eating your leaves, what you want to do is you want to put these, well, they're kind of hard to find, but you're going to want to find them and you're going to want to put them in your garden. So, oh, he's digging. He's trying to hide. And it's actually good because they'll eat all the caterpillars, and it's good if they make a colony there. Then you'll never have a caterpillar or any bug problem again because they eat all sorts of bugs. Some bugs are bigger than them, but they use their venom to kill the insects. It hurts humans. It just makes their fingers swell up, but it kills insects. It like paralyzes them. I mean, it's kind of like the tarantula hawk or whatever it's called. I think, the tarantula hawk. Yeah, so these beetles are very territorial, so if you ever try to stick your finger in one of the holes and they're coming out their hole, they will bite you. So what you want to do is wait till they come out their hole, which will be during the day or nighttime. But when they come out their hole, you're going to want to get a jar or something, grab them as fast as you can, or else they'll go back in their hole and they won't come out for another like 5 hours or so. There's this hole right there. Okay, I just wanted to talk about the beetle, and Alright, I'll tell you about the authors because I do not want to steal anyone's work or anything. So I will tell you the authors and then I will put up the book. Okay, so first author, if you want, you can read that. I'll leave it up for like 10 seconds. Wait, I better zoom out. I'll leave that up for like 10 seconds if you want to read it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so the first author is Mark Durup. If I get the name wrong, please comment that I got it wrong. I'm sorry. Kind of a little tired still. I just woke up a while ago. Okay, here's the next author. If you want to read that, you can. Or you could pause the video and read it. Okay, that's the photographer right there. That's the author. Okay, now we're on to the contributing author. If you want to read that, you can just pause the video and you can read it. Okay, his name is Thomas Emil, and I forgot to mention his name, Brian Kenny. Yeah, so they're the authors. I didn't want to steal anything, and here you go. I'll do it one more time. Okay, you can pause it now if you want. Alright, and here's the other. You can pause it right there too. Okay, I will see you later for the next video I make. It might be about animals, it might be about video games. Well, I'll see you later. Bye!